right, we don't see how you go for the game. Liverpool won, Chelsea won. Tough game. Nobody agree for each other. At the end of the day, both teams carry 1 point. Come on for inside the game. But we get one very realistic Liverpool fan here with me, Oga Efizzy. Oga Efizzy, I beg, tell us how you see the game.
The game go away for us, but not to favor us. Despite the red card which our opponent gets, we dey expect winning, but we not gonna see. But 1 point is okay. We go hold the 1 point like that.
All right, now no be lie at all. You carry your 1.3 shots, nothing spoil. Liverpool see there for the top half of the table. But again, the thing will happen for inside the game will be like say now him everybody come begin they talk about that red card where regimes get and the penalty. Babana, how you see that decision? You think say the ball a red card and you think say that a penalty?
Yeah, I see am like that. Na clean red card and penalty because James he block. We suppose even score despite say we not fit call am ball to hand because he use the hand comot the ball when the ball went enter inside the net. You understand? And he dey line. So na clean red card be that one. So I go with the referee decision.
So for you, clear red card and clear penalty.
Yeah, for me na so I see am.
So overall, now how you see the Liverpool performance today?
Uh, Overall, oh boy, I give them like 70 because they not try for me second half. Because for second half, I be expect winning despite the red card. Understand? So I be
Yes.
expect winning from them and home advantage again, everything. So, well, I just give them 70. 70 go for me for them.
All right, now no be lie, Oga Efizzy. You don't talk how you see concerning the penalty incident and how you see your team Liverpool performance. Okay, now make we do the player rating. Make we start with Alisson Becker. Now, what do you go rate Alisson Becker on a scale of 1 to 10?
Okay, I'll give Alice Becker. I'll give her like 5. 5 don't do for her.
All right, now no be lie. What about Trent Alexander-Arnold? What do you go rate him?
I'll give Alexandra. I'll give her 6.
Okay, what about Joe Matip?
Joe Matip, I give her 7. 7 they okay for her.
What about Virgin van Dijk?
Van Dijk 7 also.
What about Robertson?
Robertson, I give her 8.
Okay, what about Avi Eloy?
Eloit. Eloit, I give Eloit. I give her 5. I give her 5.
Fabino Unko, what do you call rate Fabino?
Fabinho 5 also or 4. 5 4.
What about Captain Anderson?
Ederson. Ederson, I'll give Ederson 6.
Okay, what do you call rate Mo Salah now?
Mo Salah, I'll go with a 9. I give her 9.
Okay, now be say from the way you rate now, be say now Mo Salah be your man of the match for this game.
Yeah, na so. Now my man of the match for the game.
Okay, what do you go rate Fabino? Firmino.
Firmino, I give Firmino. I give him 4.
Okay, what about Mane?
Mane, I give Mane 8.
Okay. What do you call rate Thiago and Jota?
They're not to play. They're not to play plenty time for the match, but I give Jota. I give Jota. I give Jota 8. Then I give Thiago 4.
Then what do you call rate Simicas? Simicas just play about that kind of 4 minutes for the game.
Yeah, so I'll just give him 3. 3 they okay for him. 3 or 2.
All right now. No be lie, Oga Efizzy. We know say this week when they come now internationals, but this start when Liverpool starts very good start for the season. Win 2, they don't draw 1, 7 points, and they don't score 6 goals in total, and they don't concede only 1. So with this performance when Liverpool start this season, that can change how they start. Now, what do you expect? How high you expect Liverpool to finish the table by the end of the season?
With the Premier League play the odds like this, at least we're there for the top 4. We're there for the top 4. We're there for the top 4.
Yeah. All right, no be lie. So you see Liverpool today for top 4. We just get some days before the transfer window go end. As Liverpool can get any position where you think they Liverpool supposed to sign at least maybe 1 or 2 players.
Thinking of signing of players. We okay. We dey okay like that. We dey okay like that. We dey okay like that. Because the way
Okay.
it be now like this na competition. Everybody dey booster themselves. When they boost, they go.
Mm.
So we dey okay like that. We dey okay.
All right, now, no be like man like Oga Efizzy. Thank you for your time as you take give us your time. We hope so you will enjoy the
All right
rest
now,
of your
Oga boss.
weekend.
Thank you,
We hope
Oga
to see
boss.
more of you for the interviews and more of the shows. All right, now, take care. Bye bye.